Hi, this is Steve, and in this video I show you my latest development with Tilt Audio installed in my Doctor Who game, and this is how we can play pinball sound but over Bluetooth to a headphone. So here's my headphone, Bluetooth headphone that was already paired before with a Tilt Audio Bluetooth system, and now before I start playing I can easily connect by just clicking connect, and you may hear it from the headphone when I connect the sound. And it says connected to Tilt Audio 2 because this is the second Tilt Audio system. And now when I start playing you will not hear the pinball sound but only the sound from the machine.